It was the late 19th century. California farmers were working hard. Before sunrise, they were already in the fields, and their only tool was the horse. But the land kept expanding, and so did the problems. The big question was, are horses still enough? That's when a man appeared, Benjamin Holt. Not just an inventor, a visionary. In 1890, he built a steam-powered tractor, a machine that was going to change farming forever. Faster work, more land. The farmers were thrilled. But the journey had only begun. Steam machines were entering agriculture. Holt was determined to solve even more problems. But there was a big issue: soft soil. Heavy wheels were sinking into the earth. Farmers began to lose hope. But Holt didn't give up. In 1904, he rebuilt an old tractor. This time, he replaced wheels with metal tracks. The machine crawled instead of sinking. And that was the first Caterpillar. A new name, a new legacy. And the farmers were amazed. Holt was moving forward. But a new player entered the field, CL. Best. Best realized steam had its limits. He started working on gasoline-powered engines. Smaller, lighter, and more efficient. But Best didn't stop at the engine. His undercarriage design was revolutionary. The tractors could glide over the land. Farmers had newfound power. Performance improved across the board. Best design was ahead of its time, and parts of it live on in today's Caterpillar machines. Time passed, and both companies grew. In 1925, they merged into one. A new name was born, Caterpillar Inc. No longer just for farms. They became global. Roads, buildings, fields, all touched by Caterpillar. Even today, these machines represent power, but their roots go way back. The dreams of Holt and Best are still alive. Caterpillar is not just a brand, it's a revolution. Innovation across a century. And the story isn't over yet, because when the world needs to move Earth, it remembers Caterpillar. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like the video. Subscribe for more stories of innovation and legacy. Comment below. Who impressed you more, Holt or Best?